In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a link to a Hootsuite image. If you have ever wanted people to tap an image and go to a website, a landing page, or any other destination, this is the simple workflow you need inside Hootsuite. The key idea is that you will post the image, then you will include a link URL so viewers know where to go next. Let us walk through it step by step in a calm, straightforward way. First, select plus create a post. When you do this, you are telling Hootsuite that you want to start a new social update. On screen, you should see options for creating content. Choose the account or workspace you plan to use, and make sure you are in the place where you can compose a new post. Taking this moment to set up the post correctly helps prevent mistakes later, especially when you are uploading images and planning the publishing timing. Next, upload or select your image. This is where you bring in the visual you want to share. Depending on the layout, you may see an upload button, a drag and drop area, or a way to browse for an image from your device. If you already have an image prepared, you can upload it directly. If you are selecting from an existing library or media source, choose the image that matches your message. While you are doing this, double-check that the image is oriented correctly and that the text, if any, is readable. A clear image makes the link part more effective because viewers will actually want to click or learn more. After the image is added, enter the URL. This part is what turns a normal image post into a linked image post. Look for the field that is specifically meant for a link, website, or URL. In that box, type or paste the destination address you want people to visit. Make sure the URL is complete and correct. If your link includes additional details such as tracking parameters, keep them consistent with what you normally use. Also verify that you are not pasting anything unintended. A small typo in the URL can send viewers to the wrong page, so it is worth taking a few seconds to confirm it looks right. Then schedule or publish your post. This final step controls when your linked image goes live for your audience. If you want the post to go out immediately, choose Publish. If you have a planned time, content calendar, or campaign schedule, choose Schedule and then select the date and time. When you schedule, review the time zone settings if Hootsuite shows them because that can affect when your post appears. Before you finalize, take a quick look at the post preview to confirm that the image and link are both present as expected. Once you have reviewed everything, complete the posting action for scheduling or publishing. At this point, your image is live with the link included, and viewers will have a clear path to the destination you set in the URL. If you followed along carefully, you should now feel confident repeating this anytime you want to share images with an added click-through. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.